my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because we are unveiling the subscriber giveaway prize. And you know, your girl did good this time. We all know what those white stripes are, right? You guys know where honey went. Are you ready? Stay tuned. But before we dive into this video, I would like to touch base on the rules because the last giveaway, I felt like there was quite a bit of confusion amongst my lovelies. So let me just clear all of the rules up. Rule number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on. Rule number 2, you must like as many videos as you would like, the more the better. And 3, you must comment on each video that you would like to be entered. The way that it works is after we hit 150 subscribers, we will enter one of our videos with the most views into a random drawing app deal or whatever it is on the computer, and we will make sure to record that on Snapchat, so don't forget to follow me there. And also, my Twitter handle will be in the description box below so that you can be up to date with all of the tips and tricks of your girl. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's giveaway time. Are you guys excited? Woo! I'm super excited. So you get one and I get one. Alright, so I'm going to put one away for my subscriber winner, whoever you are. Good luck to everybody. And we are going to dive into this one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sephora favorites. Sephora favorites? I cannot say that word. Sephora favorites. There we go. Sephora favorites. Hashtag no filter. Now this did just land at my Sephora here in Waco, Texas. And I mean, all of these things, like, I'm super excited to tell you about all these things. Girl, there are some name drops that I'm fixing to do. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Makeup Forever, Milk Makeup, Benefit, Cover FX, Becca. Like, legit, this box is everything. And we're gonna open this, and we're not gonna put it on our face today, sadly. But I just wanted to show you guys and give you guys some incentive to like and comment. Oh my gosh, these are super duper cute. Now, I always recommend to sample a product before you go and spend $65 on one blur stick. Like, legit, try it out first. They have these cool little sets where it comes with everything. And I'm telling you, girl, this is like a $200 value right here. Like, legit. Thank you, Sephora. Okay, getting into it, let's start off with Becca. Now, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. And it is in the shade Liquid Opal. Ooh, that just sounds pretty. Now this is 0.2 full ounces, and I just want to smell it. Just let me smell it. Oh, girl. Okay. And now for the next one. Okay, the next goodie that we are going to pull from this box is a pencil eyeliner, and she is from Makeup Forever. This is the Aqua XL pencil liner, and girl, it says waterproof, extra long wear, and I mean, girl, I'm just, ugh. Now this is in the shade M80. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't you wait to just like, oh, I want to just scribble it in my eyes right now. Okay, moving along now for setting powders. Okay, so this is in the shade Translucent Light, and this is by Cover FX. Now, I know that this seems like a really small amount, and I mean, this will probably, if you bake your face, like you use a ton of it, you might only get 1 or 2 uses out of this. But if you're like someone like me and you only use this type of setting powder for your lids or just to brighten up your skin, not to bake, this little thing will last you quite a while. The next goodie that we are going to be talking about is my favorite brand for mascara by far, Benefit Cosmetics. Like, girl, Benefit Cosmetics, oh, your mascara is like a lower lashes wet dream. Legit. I just quoted Nikki Tutorials. Yes, I did, girl, because you just tweeted about this very mascara that I just happened to find inside of my #NoFilter goodie box. So let's just take a quick peek at this wand. Girl, let me get you in closer. Can you just imagine getting those lower lashes? Oh my god, this is epic. Okay, and this is called They're Real. My favorite products to use on my face is a blur stick or a pore blur / pore filler. And this one is by Milk Makeup. It legit like smells like coconuts. Like, oh my god. Okay. Now, the final thing in this luxurious box that is for the subscriber giveaway is, drum roll please, because this is a good one, Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Ashton. Girl, this is a nude lover's dream. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm so excited with all of these products. Like, thank you, hubby, for getting this for me, and thank you all of my subscribers for joining the family of lovelies. And don't forget, share with your friends. Alright guys, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for joining me here today at Touched by Heaven. If you like what you've seen today, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn the notifications on so that you can be notified every time your girl drops a new flick. I hope that you have enjoyed opening up this Sephora favorites. I know I have. Good luck to all of my lovelies, and until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.